Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. 8 years ago, we made a 5-in-1 multifunctional garage unit. It was a dry erase board, bulk storage, a photo backdrop, and the main reason we created it was to store this kid car in the bottom. We recently purchased a rolling tote storage unit that we thought would work better in the space, and we thought we could create a landing zone for the car on top. So we're going to start by taking apart the 5-in-1 unit, and then we'll create the top storage. What's nice about creating things ourselves is the fact that we can easily take it apart and can reuse the parts in any other project. When we originally designed this unit, we thought it was only going to be the bottom storage for a car. So we didn't use any wood glue on this because we didn't know it had to be super strong, but ultimately that worked out for this because it's really easy to take apart. The 2x4s were attached with 2 screws in each, and it was fairly easy and straightforward to deconstruct. With that done, we grabbed one of the plywood pieces to figure out where it would fit on the top of this unit. We knew it needed to hang off a little bit, so we decided to hang it off on this side, and Mom drew the outline of the rails. We're going to drill a hole in each side of the rail so then we can zip tie the board in place. The car is light enough that the zip ties should hold fine, and it will be easy to remove if we need to in the future. To secure the car in place, we're going to cut a couple pieces of scrap wood to act as wheel stops. The long side is to help it from falling off the edge. Mom primed the board white and spray painted it black to match the tote holder. Next, we attached the board using zip ties, and it worked perfectly. We're just going to attach them to the top rails. We added the car on top, and it works! I cut off the excess zip ties and twirled it around to make sure it stayed in place. Now we have a more usable space with our tote storage and car on top, and we can easily move it to access our storage area. This was a great refresh in this area of the garage. We got great use out of the 5-in-1 unit for 8 years, and we're excited about our new setup. For more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. And here is that original video of the 5-in-1 unit if you want to check that out.